2. Good job!
Lion, zebra, elephant.
Touch the letter on the screen. M. Find the capital letter M. M. H for hen. Ha ha ha. Touch the number on the screen. 7. Touch the screen to start counting. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hooray!